and welcome back to another live stream today with Jomo. What's up?
Hey, CM, what's up? How are you doing? How is everyone doing? Give us a shout out, give us a like, a subscribe, say hello right now in the comment section. Tell us how you doing. Any Caspian in the audience right now trying to gloat over here? Something, we accept everything. We accept everything. We are happy to hear all of you, right, CM?
Oh yeah, man. Now all the KASPA girls and boys are screaming, the bottom is in. You should be buying the 5 cent, the 5 la la la. They create FOMO and create, emotions in people, and they really they are
Did you see what Roger is starting a beef? it's an
oh.
online it's an online beef. Is Caspa bringing our friends crypto mindset and no edge no trade, which is Jomo, right, to wrecked city? Who it was funny, man. I enjoy it. Someone called us the clown, and so on and so forth. Here is
Bro, this is
someone with
this is not even worth talking about, all
no,
these
it's funny. I like it. Why not? I'm gonna give a
this
shout out.
this loser man. He's a fucking loser man.
No,
He's
I
down,
like it.
bro, he's down 70-80%, man. And he's like, happy after the coin is bouncing 20% from the bloodbath, you know. And like these people, they have no IQ. They have no IQ. They have no brains, they are insane, and they're gonna keep getting wrecked.
Look, whatever makes them happy, I'm okay with it. I don't, I don't, I don't look bashing people. Whatever. I just enjoyed the giving back a little bit. Look, people they have their own view of things, right? They are within a big position. Look, if you go through Twitter, and for some reason Twitter right now, my bubble on Twitter became from crypto Twitter to Caspa Twitter. Everything is in my Twitter right now is about Caspa, flipping soul in 2025, getting to $10 again. And again, as you said, just because of a 20% bounce, which people don't understand because CM, people think that this is only buying. And some buying is happening, but as well, some people we don't know who, like us, for example, who shorted, just covered their shorts in a very logical place to cover the shorts right after 40-50% drop down. We short people are in profit. We took profit. How do you take profits on a short? You buy the asset back. So if you buy the asset back and you compile that with some buying, so you get some sort of a week of buying, like a week, like
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah, yeah.
strong bounce. That's the mechanics.
Classic short squeeze. Kaspa is still in a bear market, man. People are saying, "Oh, Kaspa is not in a bear market, not in a bear market." Yes,
It's
it
still
is in a bear market.
it's
By the
still
way,
in a bear
guys,
market.
if you have any question, drop them below. We're gonna talk about them. You want to share some charts, man? You want to share something?
Yeah, let's share the Casper chart. By the way, you said something about a short squeeze. It's not a short squeeze the way I view short squeezes, at least, right? But it doesn't really matter for this sense. So look, we want to look at Casper right now, and as you see from where we initially got in, actually, which was this pivot breakdown, the 11.17 was the first initial position. It was 50% down. Okay, this by all means is a big short. Now, if we take a look at the big picture, because people need to look at the big picture, you can't zoom in here. I saw someone looking at the 5 minutes yesterday, and after the bounce, he's not a trader. It was like, we are getting a V bottom recovery. Oh, V bottom, blah 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 blah, whatever, right? But look at the daily, okay? I mean, try to zoom out. Don't try to look at your position because you're holding it and you're hoping whatever. This is still very much a downtrend that started here. Okay, we're still very much in, you can call this either a channel. Okay, some people will call this, maybe a wedge. Doesn't really matter as long as we're going down within the channel or the wedge. Doesn't really matter. We're still in an individual downtrend, individual stage four, bear market, if you want to call it. And the reality is that as long as we are within this channel and as long as we are below this trend line here, nothing really changes, in my opinion, about KASPA. Okay, I want something to change, but in fundamentally on the price action. Okay, so we need first to kind of break out of this channel and then maybe go sideways. I don't know if it's here, maybe it will be here. I have no idea. And then start a new uptrend and eventually above this trend line, which will kind of be the new uptrend for KASPA. If it will happen at all, and if it will happen now or in a few months or who knows, I have no idea. But people just need to zoom out a little bit. There is very small probabilities that out of nowhere you'll get from 5 cents all the way back to 12 cents in a day or two or in a week. If that happens, I'm flipping bullish on KASPA 100%. Something is changing. Okay, but there is a very small chance that that happens. CM, what do you think?
Man, Kaspa just had the biggest stopping process ever
I
seen
know.
in crypto, man. People don't even look on the top, man. The top
The
is like,
top.
bro,
It's
the
a
top
monster top. Monster top.
the top on Caspa, man, is like, the people that see the weather, that predict the weather, and they see like a tsunami or some,
They see clouds. They see the cloud, big
they,
clouds, or
they see the storm coming.
the storm
Now,
coming. Yeah,
this is the storm, man. The storm is now happening, and it can last long time. That's why
it
I'm
can.
always telling the audience, wait for a clear
Wait.
reversal pattern. Waiting is a position as well. If you don't short, just wait with your capital, save your capital, wait for it to come down, base out for a couple of months or weeks, and then start DCA.
Yeah,
Most people already lose all their money. They don't have money into DCA, and now they're salty and they're screaming on Twitter on every bounce. That's why they're gonna keep getting wrecked and keep crying on the channel because losers just keep on losing.
exactly, man. Exactly, man. And you know what? I want to share another thing I had, which same chart, but I don't remember exactly the events because I talked about it in the video that I made. But CM, how there's this thing. You know that over here and over here it was the Kraken and Binance listing somewhere over here. So you can see that was a kind of a top. Over here there was an event of Caspa, and you can see was the top. Over here there was another thing. Over here there was a test net. Over here there was another test net. This was the 10 beeps. And here you had the Caspa. Everyone is about Caspa is now an American coin or something. You saw that?
I saw it. I saw it.
You saw that?
I saw it.
First of all, I thought it was an Israeli coin, so I don't know how it became American all of a sudden, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, what matters is that the event doesn't matter. Okay, it's how price reacts to the event. Now, right now, you had some sort of a bounce, but it's not a change. You need to see a real change in price action for it to be really, an event. And I will tell you one thing. How can you think that the fact that Caspa is now American owned or whatever is such a big event if we saw we saw President Trump talking about ADA, Solana, and XRP last week. They bounced for one day and went to new lows in 2 days afterwards, meaning that this narrative about the reserve is just pure fluff. Okay, so people feeling that now this Caspa can be included in the reserve, it's fluff because they won't buy Caspa as a country. If they will take, Caspa from, criminals, they will keep it. That's not something that I would
But
argue that,
but
is
Jomo,
demand.
Mara is buying Caspa.
Oh,
Mara is mining Caspa. And this
probably Mara sold all the top. Mara
and
and Marathon and
yeah, Mara is the top.
is the top.
And
you,
that's why
you know,
that's why there is an M there. You can see the
yeah,
M.
exactly, exactly. That's what I wanted to show. I wanted to show you. This is Mara over here. This is it. Hey, Mara.
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 Mara. Mara. Oh man.
Hey, Caspians. We're simply joking over here, lady boys and lady girls.
Smash
Simply
the like.
jokes.
Smash the
Smash the
like.
like button. Smash the like button. Give us Keep commenting, ask us some questions. And you know what? If you're watching this on Twitter, retweet. If you're watching this on YouTube, please, smash as well the bell, whatever. What's this? Chitak Patel. I
Well,
believe we are still in a bull market long term. This is just a correction, reset. What do you think? Might be CM. We kind of answer this type of question every day.
we're
Every
gonna
day,
answer it every day, man. That's the audience, you know. The audience
it's
is
okay,
very
man. But Chitak Patel is with us every day, I think, already for at least a week.
maybe now he's talking about Bitcoin. You know, really it's very important, sir, to differentiate between
Differentiate, yeah.
Bitcoin and altcoins. Okay, altcoins can be in their own bear markets when Bitcoin is in the bull market still, or altcoin can be in a bull market when Bitcoin is in a bear market, just like KASPA was in a bull market in 2022 when Bitcoin was in a bear market. So you gotta differentiate what are you talking about? Are you talking about long-term bull market for Bitcoin or what?
Yeah,
Anyway,
exactly.
I think the chart will tell us exactly what's coming, and yeah, man, and the things are not looking good. We covered it. Things not looking good for
For
crypto.
sure. For sure. We're going to follow the price action on Bitcoin. We're going to follow the price action on altcoins. We're going to trade. Right now, we're shorting the rallies. That's our mindset right now.
Yeah, not now. Now we're waiting
No,
for the bounce to over, and then we're gonna short it.
hey,
Now,
we
because
need there are no setups right now. But when we will have a nice rally, and then it will break down, and we'll find a setup, and people that are members will see the setup that we're going to trade. We need to be very clear, as you say. Yeah, gas
and
devs have dual citizenship apparently, so they can claim it's a US coin. Ooh,
ooh.
nice. Very nice.
Hey man, I'll be interested in your group. I need to catch up a bit when it comes to trading. Do you have any good signals for inspiration for beginners? For sure, man. You want to see signals that we took in the past and our success?
Hey, you know what he should do? If he's interested, we have a free 3 day trial. You can go in, take the 3 day trial, check all, and see him show now as well if you want to, of course. But for this Team Shady dude, he needs to, 3 days for free. Get in, see everything that we do, daily updates. I mean, if you want me, go to my group. If you want CM, go to his group, right? It's on the same page. You can choose any of us. And choose and for 3 days take your time, go through the updates, my updates, CM updates, okay, and the trades we do and everything, and you will see exactly how we operate, and that can convince you or not whether we are worth your while, Mr. Slim Shady. Probably you're going to stay because we have a 99% people that stay after they start a trial, so up to you.
Yeah, but the trial is nice and everything, but really should take 1 month or 3 month minimum because in order to really execute good trades, sometimes you just don't get any good
No,
trades.
but he can see the past things at least in the three
Oh,
days.
I'm gonna show
Not
him now.
now.
I'm gonna show
Yeah.
him the Caspa mega trade from 2023 just to show you, man, that
What the long trade you mean?
yeah, the long. I'm gonna
Oh
show
man,
them.
we have beautiful long trades from 2023.
I'm
Amazing
just
ones.
tell me if
We'll
you
sh-
see my screen. One sec. Where is
okay, we
that?
don't see it just yet.
This
Now
is
we see your screen.
all right. So this is the CAS mega trade from November 4, 2023. Okay, I will zoom in. You can see all members must take this trade. That was the best trade in 2023. That's the trade, man. You can see buy the break above 0054. We are teaching the breakout trade strategy. It's very simple using stop buy orders. Every baby can do it. Okay. We put 20% capital on this trade. Okay. And we left a runner of 25%. This is the breakout, was on 54 CASPA. Okay. 54 back in November. You can see 4th. That was the date here. I just want to show you the chart so you understand. Do you see my chart now, Jomo?
Yeah.
All right, so this was the end. This was our entry here. That was the breakout, man. We smoked it. right here, 54, right? That's on the day. The same day we bought the breakout here, we had a stop buy order. You know, our members just placed their stop buy order. Once KASPA broke, they automatically had a bag like a pro, and boom, we smoked a triple on our account, man, on the runners. That was a triple, man, in like 2 weeks. Okay, that was 187% in 2 weeks, man. So really, if you want to join a winning community, uh, winning traders that been doing it for many, many, many years and gonna keep doing it for many, 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 many years, my friend, because that's how we make profit. That's what we do for a living, man. Trading. We do it for a living, man. All right. So
Let's share even the earlier chart of the trade from March 19, 2023. I started trading KASPA on 1.5 cents. And actually, this was a free for everyone on Twitter. You know, every now and then I just give free kind of things on Twitter. Look at this. March 19th, KASPA is painting a perfect VCP if it breaks out. By the way, if you don't follow me on Twitter, you should go to Twitter. No edge, no trade. You can see the handle in the bottom caption. Follow me over there. Make sure you don't miss anything as well. And as you can see, boom, traded this 1.5 cents. And, you know, probably I should show this on the chart because it was way back then. Let's show this on the chart by CM. Approve, please. So look at this, man. Way back here. Look where we are right now. This was way back here. Way back here.
yeah,
CM
man,
traded
February 23, no?
March 2023. Over
All
here, you
right.
see the 1.5 cents area? Boom.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
That
yeah.
is that is where we entered. We added on this breakout, so we had a very big position on it. And as you can see, even this one made a huge move.
That
And
was
you know,
bigger than November, man.
and this is on Twitter. You know, people can go on my Twitter and search this from 19 of March 2023. People don't want to do the work; they just want to hate on us. But whenever Caspa is going to be long again, we're going to smash it.
We're not gonna share the next long on Twitter, man.
Oh
This
no,
is
for sure,
only for
no.
my members. Only the members getting the
Only
big
for our
juicy
members, for
alpha, man.
sure.
If you wanna share it, share it. I'm not gonna share
No,
no
I'm not going to
with
share it
nobody, man.
anymore. No, I'm not going
I'm
to share it.
sharing no one gonna get the mega trades on Kaspa or the mega trades on Turbo
No, it's
or Moonboys.
irresponsible to share trades on
My
Twitter. I
meg-
stopped.
my mega trades are only for our members, man. You wanna be our members, you wanna make filthy money. Pay the fee, pay the membership, make yourself, invest in yourself, invest in your education, invest in the community of
Yeah.
traders. Stop being a moron, stop being a
Yeah, stop waiting for the market to save you. But see, look, I won't share it either because it's very reckless to share charts because now I understand something I didn't understand 2 years ago. That people don't know how to risk manage, and if you show a chart and then they don't know how to take it, so they don't know, what to do. Oh, it's Roger.
This guy is insane, man.
Ah, no, I love him, man. Look, he's giving us a smirk with a wink. Mr. Roger, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much as well for that tweet. I liked it. Continue doing that kind of stuff.
All right.
Um,
Slim Shady, I have a big chunk of cash on the sideline. Learn from Slim Shady. Even if you're not buying, okay, just be cool with sitting in cash and waiting for the next opportunity.
exactly.
See, the guy is fed up with the whole Moonboys. Haha. I would have preferred to go short. Exactly, man. Exactly. Exactly.
Exactly. And if not short, at least hedge. CM
Yeah.
called the top on Caspa in August and it dumped 40% in 5 days. CM is the man for sure. Top trader over there. Join his group if you wish to see more of CMs. What you need to do is to scan the QR code in the upper left side of this, go to our website and see and maybe show them as well the March promotion so they can have
Oh,
the
yeah.
promotion for March because they didn't see it so far. And of course, you can go there, check CM. You can check me as well if you're more connected to the way I do things. But if you want that CM vibe, the lady boy vibe, check CM out.
Yeah, guys, if you have any question, drop them. Please give us a like, guys. It really help us get to more audience because in the end of the day, we want to help people save themselves from the Moon Boys disease and the Moon Boys spell. Because as you can
Exactly.
see, in the last 2 months, most crypto community is down 80, 90% on their portfolios,
Not only Caspians,
not only
Turbo as
no,
well. Those mofos,
much
man,
more, much more.
much more. Turbo is smashed. Pepe is smashed as well. I wonder those. What was the Caspa thing? The Nacho one, was it Nacho?
Nacho, yeah, Nacho.
Man, Nacho is smoked. Nacho is 94% down. Nacho is smoked.
Yeah,
Um, So, Slim Shady is saying fuck spot and holding trading is better 100%. We believe that trading is superior to holding, okay, over the long term. And because A, you have a skill set, and B, you can take control over your own actions and actually multiply your gains over and over instead of just waiting for something to happen. So 100%, we believe trading is superior, and it's not as hard as people will, think it is. You just need to sit on your ass a little bit, which you should do either way because this is your money that you're putting in the markets. So if you're putting money in the markets, which is at risk of losing that money, you should at least gain some knowledge. That makes sense, CM. Doesn't that make sense?
like, and definitely not following lady boys 16-year-old from the UK telling you to invest in gaming portfolio, in total scams, in outright scams without even a game,
The
and
mustache, the
with
mustache, 16 years old.
or the fat dude from Dubai that is flipping poker chips, on your screens, calling for alt season when you're in the biggest correction, for altcoins, pretty much the cycle. you know, really, people need to take care of themselves. Like, man, when I was a newbie in 2018, I said, man, how will I take care of myself? How will I be able to go with the market, to take out profits from the market? The only way is to educate yourself, man. The only way. Just like you want to be better at gym, you want to have a good physique, go to the gym. You want to have a good bank account, rich bank account, study trading, study market, study finance. It's kind of finance, man. The market, you just need to study it, man. For God's sake, man.
I actually believe trading is like a sport because if you are disciplined, all right, enough, and you put some time to work at it, then you get better. You don't actually need to learn, macros, micros, finance, BS, all that, term. What was all the financiers of the past, that built all these theories? That's just nonsense
Bollocks.
for trading. That's nonsense. Just learn how, what we do, price action charting, that's enough.
Yeah, man. ETH, we talked about ETH. Look, as for now, there is a chance of a bounce. There is a chance of a bounce for Bitcoin, for crypto. Short-term bounce, maybe even a big bounce or a rally. Who knows? But we believe, like, man, Ethereum looks horrendous, man.
We're
Ethereum,
short ETH in our group.
Ethereum looks bad, man. Ethereum looks like it can. I think, man, the way I see it, 2025, 2026, Ethereum gonna sweep the lows of 2018, man.
Of
The, yeah,
2018,
yeah, it's
the
going back.
$100.
Yeah, it's going back to $100. I'm telling you, man. This thing looks shady, man. Something bad happened to ETH, man. And
Maybe,
there
maybe.
you see the McDonald's. Let me show you the
Oh
McDonald's
yeah.
on ETH. I'll show you
No,
the
you know what this is? This is the Mara.
no, no, this is the McDonald's, man. It's a bigger,
Yeah, yeah.
bigger corporation.
I know. Oh, it's bigger. It's a bigger corporation for sure.
By by the way, guys, do you know Vitalik has left Ethereum and is now in McDonald's?
I saw that. I saw it.
This is the McDonald's right here. You can see a McDonald's here, and actually a bigger McDonald's here. Look at this one. Woo!
Yeah, huge McDonald's.
Do you see the McDonald's? Let me show you 1 second. To show you the McDonald's. You see that's your first. That's your McDonald's, man. See it? Now Vitalik is selling cheeseburger in Atlanta. So if you wanna buy,
In
just
Atlanta. In
just go
Atlanta.
just go there,
in,
man.
in Wyoming, man.
bro, I told you what I'm seeing. Like in Ethereum, look at the log scale, man. This is this was your first leg down here, okay, of the ABC. Now we
Okay.
completed the B leg, okay, that was your A leg, and now we're going to the C. And Ethereum is going here, man. Ethereum is going here, man. I'm telling you, man. Man,
Dude,
gravity.
gravity's on the works for Ethereum. You heard it from CM first, the lady boy.
And look how overvalued it is. I will not be surprised, man. Look where it's coming from. It came from 15 cents. Let's call it from here, from 50 cents. Okay, it is up outrageous.
Now you're
eight
just exaggerating,
eight
taking the whole
thousand,
chart.
bro. 8,000%. It is up. Everything is overvalued. Stocks, Nvidia, Apple, they're all very, very overvalued. The S&P is overvalued. We can go to a major reset. Now, people are not ready, man. People are not
It is
ready.
a possibility. People are not ready for sure. Look, I have a client that he trades only the Nasdaq, and he likes to trade the triple Qs. Okay, the triple Qs. Roughly 2 weeks ago, and I showed the message I sent him. I showed it to you, right? I told him, look, I'm seeing too much distribution on the Nasdaq. I think you cut your position on the triple Qs and move. If you want not to be in cash, put half on the Nasdaq itself. And he didn't do shit. He's down like 35% from the top, right? Because he's trading the triple Qs. It's 3 times the Nasdaq, man. So people don't like to see the evidence. That's one. And people don't want to believe, right, that a good thing can come to an end. Every good thing eventually comes to an end. Now, I know myself, I'm not calling for it just yet. I am trading on the short side right now because that's the evidence. That's where the evidence is leading, right? That's where the evidence is leading. But there is a good potential, what CM is saying, that no one is ready. That might happen. Usually it happens when no one is ready. And on top of that, we have good news hitting the market repeatedly, and bad price action is actually happening on those events, starting from the inauguration day. The inauguration day was the worst kind of good news, bad price action, and ever since, every good news hits, more selling and more selling. For now, my thesis, unless something very changes a lot between the Fed and the quantitative easing, what you're saying right now, gravity is on the works. We need a big push from below to see something else. And of course, if that happens, we're gonna play ball with it, right, Sam?
Short the F of these markets, man. Yeah, man. Yeah,
Someone
man.
is someone is asking about. Let's do the two last questions and we can bounce.
All right.
So we're about to bounce. If you have an important question, ask it now.
Yes, absolutely.
By the way, look at ADA now. I'm going to share it. So ADA is is a classic, you know,
Oh no.
supposedly amazing news met by huge selling. Okay, look what happened. It moved like 70% in that day. Everyone was buying it, and the mothers, people probably were calling like, "Oh my God, 88 on the moon." Nope, a back all down, looking worse than before actually right now.
Oh
So
yeah.
what did he ask ADA? Ball deep or donkey style spread cheeks? I would say it's donkey style spread cheeks right now. That's what I would say, at least for now.
That could be the top, man, for ADA. For all these big movers that moved, Solana, XRP, that they made these blow off top kind of moves. That's horrible, man, for the chart.
If you move 70% in a day and then you sell everything back down in 2 days, that's bad. Okay, that's bad. It's just a bad sign. It's like the good thing from the first day is all dead. That it's just dead. Nothing is left.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Well, guys,
Yeah.
thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, leave a comment, share it in your Twitter, subscribe to this channel, click the bell. We'll see you in the next video. Remember, no edge.
No trade.